Colami. Dora siapa? Dorina.
Colami. Wah, colami langkai. Ya, kevin hello, sekali colami.
I wouldn't need you. I just got feeling bad. Alright, let's go in. Let's go.
Everybody, how's everyone feeling tonight? That's amazing. I like the energy already. Alright, my name is Yugu and I'm going to be the host of tonight's beautiful occasion. And I'm being assisted by herself tonight, so you can introduce yourself, please. Oh, she already did it. Perfect. And I've also got on the music tonight, DJ Kingston. DJ Kingston, wave to the people, so he's going to be taking turns. Perfect. So just some housekeeping. At the back, we've got the ladies and gents. So on the far left of the room, we've got ladies and gents there. I want everyone to feel that there's a couple of people in this place here tonight. So we're going to do a big shot, one big shot to announce our presence in this venue. We'll try it one more time. That was good. I think it's excellent. Are we ready to receive the couple for tonight's occasion? I think that's beautiful. So everyone knows we're here. One last announcement. We've just been made aware that we can't bring any alcohol from outside this venue. So all right, perfect. Let's do this. All right, let's do this. Ladies and gentlemen, can we please welcome for the first time tonight the Flower Boy and the Ring Boy. DJ, let's go. Amazing. They can. Let's celebrate them. Come on. Yes. Amazing. Thank you very much, DJ. Can I give them a big round of applause? I like to think for young people like that, the young gentleman and the young lady, with so much confidence, I think they're going to go so far in this country of opportunity. So let's give them a big round of applause again, ladies and gentlemen. Amazing. Thank you very much, guys. You may take your seats. What we'll do is, because I think this is special, maybe we'll all stand up to receive this couple. What do you guys think? Let's all stand up. All right, perfect. I'm going to go hang out at the back because now this is crunch time, so I need proper energy in this place here. We've got to take the energy a level higher. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, for the first time tonight in Perth, Western Australia. Where Rwanda meets Burma/Myanmar.
Where is that? Is that Burma?
Burma, yes.
Yeah, Kopiyo, Huda.
The newest couple in town, ladies and gentlemen.
Awe telam buala noto awe jana. Tobuato.
Perfect. So, ladies and gentlemen, please help me in welcoming the newest couple in town, Anthony and Paul. Mr. DJ, let's go. I need to turn it up, Mr. DJ. Turn it up, please. Yes, now. Turn it up, Mr. DJ. Turn it up, please. Can we give them a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen? I thought that was amazing. We can share this. All right, perfect. So ladies and gentlemen, we're going to do our third energy check for tonight. It's two simple questions. And I'll start with the lady. How do you guys think? How beautiful does Paul look tonight? Alright, I can tell you right now, this is the first time this is happening, so I need a big, over the loudest shout. How beautiful does Paul look tonight, ladies and gentlemen? Alright, that's good, that's perfect. And ladies and gentlemen, how sharp does Anthony look tonight? So one more time, ladies and gentlemen, the newest couple in town. Let's give them a round of applause. All right, perfect. So we're going to kickstart our program tonight. And the first item on our program is... we're going to listen. We're going to get a speech from the couple tonight. So they're going to, I don't know what they're going to tell us, but it's going to be interesting, right? We want to know how they're feeling, what the vibe is tonight. So ladies and gentlemen, may I please invite the newest couple in town to give us some remarks. Anthony and Paul, ladies and gentlemen.
Short speech. It's not really a speech, but it's a thanks to everyone that's been here. So first I would like to thank my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. And I'd like to thank everyone that's helped with the food, with the decorations. All my friends, my family that came here yesterday. You guys did an amazing job, as you can see. The place looks pretty nice. And the people that cooked, which was Paul's family, the aunties, thank you so much for the good beef curry. It was very nice. And I'd like to thank my beautiful wife for everything she's done. She was giving me a lot of attitude, you know. Nah, but she did really well. She became strong and stronger throughout the whole journey. I told her it's a process, just enjoy it, even if it's hard. But she ended up doing an amazing job. All this was all her. And as you guys see, this was two different cultures together. So we tried to be in the middle. So it was pretty hard, but we just went with the Australian way, you know. So I guess I'd just like to thank you guys. And also I'd like to thank my mom for working hard and bringing us to Australia. Because if she didn't, I wouldn't have met this girl, you know. So thank you very much. And I hope you guys enjoy the food. God bless.
I'm going to be speaking in my language so that my family and my community people will understand, so apologies. So yeah, the civil bag say hello, Udoyano, awe. Tidak plot proyek no, awe kekira tahu ni. Dito iba, tak boleh bayi no dito. Ida dah hot, masa you hot juga. Apa ya dah dito jalan tak tidak plot proyek kekira tahu ni dito. You class malagi no dito jalan ne apa nyok lulaga ne mata. Nbakwa na kiko ya pale no. Kwa kera na malolo igodo kasinga chumo dito ipoili. Ame o dito ko ya le igo mo dito ibaka che ipoili. So ita kera dito ta malolo igo pador kharo agar khaya no sibasi ko imu pati. Continua a relativi a la sera dari demi lupa. Jadi aku pokok ada no. Tiada ya kau tiada la sera no. Terhanya selesai ke tu pinta yang aku lupa. Nanti kau cila kita dah percaya tak ni kau biar le hal kau yang nari. Dapat tiada orang yang biar kita su pick up juga. Lalu me balle på le lodi timero yake machi al halo ko balla yenari te yake tino kone awe silibati ko dino garden. God bless you. Thank you.
Can we give Paul a round of applause for sharing with us her moment tonight? And obviously I cannot forget, can we give Anthony a round of applause as well? All right, amazing. So it's come to that time. We're going to have our lunch / I think this is lunch. It's lunchtime. So we're going to have our lunch. Normally it's dinner, you know. But yes, we're going to have our lunch, and it's buffet style. So we've got 2 tables at the back, and I think to make it more efficient, we'll do it table by table. Yeah. So that way we're quick and we can get through it. Okay. So yes, I think she needs to translate this part.
Awak pegelele tak orca ke tono, pegema pegelele kuanovi.
Alright, so we'll do it table by table, and just because these guys are special tonight, this table here will not move, so they're gonna get served. See, you guys, if you don't want to stand up and move a lot on your wedding, you know, you have to make sure it's a special day. So you guys. Today you're exempt. You're not going to be moving. So you guys can stay here. It's all good. And then we'll make our way to the back and enjoy dinner. So the DJ has got some nice, relaxing music while we enjoy our lunch. Sorry, I said dinner. Nice, relaxing music. I think she needs to translate this part.
Ada dah memelet lampung papa awak dia ada telur hua awak dia ko oblo tadi ni ai the pegelele ku tu be apa ko the awak DJ no pa. Alright, perfect. So enjoy your dinner, your lunch. Bon appetit, and I will talk to you on the other side of lunch. So I think what we're going to do is we'll start with the first row. So there's 2 tables here. So there's one on this side and one on this side. So we'll start with this first 3 tables and this first 3 tables, and you can make your way to the back on this side and that side.
Sure, I'll run the trees while I pull out the industry. Find activities of friends we feel. In the sunshine, under open sky. gentle breeze across the meadow, under whispering trees, in every moment, in every glance, we find our joy in this dance.
Good year together. Like, do you know how, I don't even know how she does that. Like, I need some tips from her. She's so good at keeping secrets. She doesn't show us. Like, and then out of the sudden, she told me it's been 3 years, and I'm like, is this a joke or? So, ako de ita kuhudo mo bamnu hole. Anni bawa da no Anthony na ke bawa di so yifu ko da no ye bawa phadu ya. Awene atera da wanyomu atani gumui o da asagi no. Ako ne ita kuhudo mu dani ba Anthony. Anthony is a good. You're going to be a good man to Muda, right? You are? You already? Yeah, I trust you. So I want to congratulate you again, and I'm so happy for you guys.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. You're probably wondering why I'm actually up here, how they got such a charismatic, handsome guy to give a speech to Anthony. But the truth is, they didn't really actually have to ask twice. And then the truth is, they didn't actually ask. It was just assumed. Now it's an honor to actually give this speech to my good friend Anthony. I've known Anthony for a very long time. Ever since
the last born, you know, in an African household, when you're not the last born, you get all the privileges, you get to have all the good stuff, and the rest of you get to have that when you're sick. So when Anthony arrived, son lost all those privileges, and I was a bit jealous. But don't see him like this and you think he's all innocent and all that. When he was little, he was that child who would hit the other children, and then he'll be innocent, and you'll be like, why is that child crying? Who hit him? And then the parents used to come to my mom and be like, your child has hit my child, and then but when you see him, you think he did nothing. But I'm so happy that he grew up to be a very generous man, innocent and supportive as well. It's weird, eh? See your little brother getting married. I'm like, is it real or someone pinch me? But other than that, thank you for giving me a little sister that I've never had. Paul, you're welcome to the family. You've been loved, and I wish you all the best in your marriage. All these people are here to celebrate your union. Just keep God first, as you always have. By the way, Anthony, he's such a bad singer, but sometimes his room is next to mine. So in the morning when I'm going to work, I just hear him sing, praising the Lord, but not singing, talking. But yeah, so you're like, hallelujah. I'm like, oh, he's actually into God. Like, I'm happy that he's into God, and he made that this big decision. So you're now like an example to the rest of us. And just remember you're loved, and in case of anything, this big sister is here. And yeah, love you all and happy wedding day.
Very much for coming here to celebrate with us. In this ceremony, normally we go to ask the hand of a bride. That's our culture, and we did it. And my family asked me to go to go to ask for Anthony's bride. I went there. You can see that Anthony is very happy. Look how he's smiling.
umugeni twamusabiye niwe kuko yataza kuba ari we abo bari kumwe.
It looked like the bride that we asked for is the real one.
Murabona rero umugeni twamusabiye kuko arasaba n'ikizuba arasaba izuba ryo mu rukerera.
Look like your bride is very bright and beautiful and shining.
Urareba ukuntu ameze ni umwana mwiza.
She's so beautiful.
Oh, turaguhaye karibu mu muryango wacu.
All we welcome in the family.
Hari bashiki ba Anthony
and the sisters of Anthony.
Bazagufata neza.
They will take care of you.
And Anthony nawe azagufata neza.
Anthony will look after you.
Nigeze kumva mu kiliziya ukuntu Pastor Jolie
in your church, Pastor Jolie
yabifurije umugisha ku Mana.
Wished you a blessing from the heaven.
Namwe rero tubifurije umugisha ku Mana.
We wish you blessing from heaven. And if it doesn't work out,
ndabashimiye kuko mukunda Imana.
I know and I'm happy that you love God.
Mwegere Imana nayo izabegera.
Talk to your God and God will approach you.
Uwiteka abamugisha.
God bless you all.
Amen.
Yes, alright, so we're ready for the countdown. Let's start the countdown. So we're going to go from 5 to 0. Ladies and gentlemen, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. DJ, let's go. Yes, now. Anthony and Paul in the building. Oh my God. Did you guys see what happened? Did you guys see what happened? Yeah? We didn't see it. So Paul, we didn't see what you did. So you're going to have to do it. And we need to see what you just did right there. Ladies and gentlemen, if you didn't see what happened, I have your back. I'm your MC tonight. So I'm going to get Paul to repeat exactly what she's done. Alright? So Paul, you know what you've done. So you're going to do it again. Perfect. And then once you do that, Anthony, you're going to do the same thing. And guys, let's celebrate them. Let's shout. Let's enjoy. Mr. DJ, give me that song. Paul, when you're ready, please do that thing. Yes! Oh my God. Yes. Thank you very much, Mr. DJ. All right, and we're also going to invite. All right. So also, they want to feed their parents. How beautiful is that? Do you know what I mean? So they want to share this with their parents. So please, the parents to Paul. Do we need a translation for that one? No? We're good? Yeah? We're good for that? So the parents of Paul may step up and get fed. And also, Anthony's parents. Everybody for participating in that. I hope you feel very much part of this cut, this cake that we just cut, and we enjoyed that time with Anthony and Paul. All right. Yes, now. All right. A coat or a jacket. Yes, now. Yes, now. A coat or a jacket. All right. Perfect. Can we give her a big round of applause for participating? Thank you very much. All right. Go out to our lovely guests. Hang on. Relax. Take it easy. Relax. Ladies and gentlemen, one more time for Anthony and Paul in the building tonight. All right, back to our game. My volunteers, can you please go out to our lovely guests and get me a credit card? A credit card. I guarantee the safety of your credit card. Yes, now. Oh my God. Yes, now. Yes, now. All right. Let's give her a big round of applause, please. Let's give her a big round of applause. And she will be returning that credit card. So ladies and gentlemen, again, I guarantee the safety of your cards. So, my fellow volunteers, please make sure you go out and negotiate. But before you do that, you have to return these lovely credit cards. You have to return them to their rightful owners. All right. Now, when you go out there, after returning that card, can you please come back? No. Relax. Take it easy. Fair. It has to be fair and square. Fair and square. Can you please go out there and get me a pair of sunglasses or glasses? It doesn't have to be sunglasses. Yes, no. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. This is awesome. Let's give him a round of applause.
No way.
Oh my goodness. I am quite impressed by the volunteer lady in the building tonight. Can we give another round of applause? So my dear guests, can you please confirm, whoever's relax. It's okay, no rush. We're out here. We're celebrating Anthony and Paul in the building tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, are you having a good time tonight? Yes, I'm enjoying myself. I'm having a ball. I'm enjoying myself. Ladies and gentlemen, will you please return the sunglasses and grab me? Hey, they're already standing up. I want to make sure it's fair and square. Please, when you go out there, grab me a glass. Yes, DJ. Let's go now. See, go, babe. Oh my God. Please, just for her recognition, ladies and gentlemen, can you please give the lady of tonight a big round of applause? Thank you very much. I'm a bit biased. I was rooting for the lady. I wanted the lady to win this, you know? All right, perfect. So this is the final. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the final. This is crunch time. This is where the rubber hits the road. This is crunch time. All right. I wanna make this a bit more difficult. What can we get? All right, perfect. For the final time tonight, my two volunteers. So this is the final. Whoever comes back to their seat is tonight's winner. All right, ladies and gentlemen, my fellow volunteers, may you go out there and grab me a mobile phone. Yes, DJ. Oh my God. Yes, DJ. Let's give him a big round of applause for participating tonight. Thank you very much. He's a good sport. Thank you very much, Mr. DJ. He's a good sport. He's done well. So ladies, what was your name, brother? Andrew. So ladies and gentlemen, the winner for tonight's game is Andrew. Let's give him a big round of applause. Again, I do appreciate you performing tonight and participating in this game. One more time, ladies and gentlemen.